January, we have long winter holidays in Russia. In February, you can ski in the mountains. In March, the snow melts. In April, our nature becomes green. Trees are blooming. The 9th of May is the Victory Day. It is in May. In June, the children in Russia finish the school. In July, many families go to the sea to swim and have fun. In August, many children visit their grandparents in the countryside. The 1st of September is the beginning of school year in Russia. In October, all the trees become red and yellow. It is cold and snowy in November. We can play snowballs in the park. In December, you celebrate Christmas and New Year. Comparative.
Hi, I am a giraffe.
Hello, I am a tiger.
I am tall.
I am short.
The tiger is shorter than the giraffe. The giraffe is taller than the tiger. Tall, er, taller, taller than. The penguin is fat. The bear is fatter than the penguin.
I am big.
I am small. The elephant is bigger than the cat. The cat is smaller than the elephant. The lion is funny. The monkey is funnier than the lion. Funny, funnier. The crocodile is longer than the lizard. The dinosaur is bigger than the elephant. Big, bigger. Fat, fatter. Внимание! Исключение. Good, better. No, er. Хороший, лучше. Good, better, the best. Хороший, лучше, самый хороший. This costume is good, but this one is better. As. The cat is as small as the monkey. Кошка такая же маленькая, как обезьянка. The giraffe is as tall as the dinosaur. Жираф такой же высокий, как динозавр. The penguin is as fat as my teddy bear. Пингвин такой же толстый, как мой мишка.